So I have created a shape layer and just creating a base here and placing it at the bottom. Yeah, this is our shape and background should be white. I just want to see. I have okay, so I am going to, let's try to take this color as background. So going to the slide to here, also just duplicated this shape and deleting this rectangle from here and just double clicking it, and I am going to change this color to the blue. Okay, this is it, and the rope color is in blue color, so I also have to change the color of the rope. So let's see, where is our rope? This is our rope. So I am going to change the rope color to red. That's it. Also I need to change this rope color as well. This is it. Okay, this thing I also have to change it. Yeah, that's it. No, actually there is a, I have to change only this color. This is not needed. So the shape color I am going to give it like, I am going to give this color. Yeah, this is it. And also this color I'm also changing it to this. Okay, cool. And just want one more thing, I'm just parenting it with with the support AI. Also I am going to change I am going to change the rope and the player parenting with support. So let's see at the starting as coming. Yeah, it is something. This is it. And now I have to, okay, few more things are left here, I guess. Where is it? The lady. So at this point I just have to I just have to parent lady 1, lady 2, male, and few elements are there now. So all these elements should parent with the white base. So this is the white base. Okay, now I am going to give an animation to this white base. Moving from downwards. I have to create ease. Yeah, this is it. This is the lady. I have to move this lady to here something. So I'll move this to here. Okay, this is it. Also, I have to move this thing as well, the nail body. It should be near here. So this is it. Also at just see this animation. So at this point I am going to scale the shot here. But there is so many parenting things are here. Just I'll do one thing, just giving a null object and just selecting those layers which are not parented with anything. Okay, yeah, and now just parented with the null. Let's see if there any problem. At this point I am going to give a scale, and also I am hiding these other things so that I'll also get to know. Okay. Okay, this is it. At this point I am going to scale it to this point. I'm just going to hide it and scaling it something like this. That's it. I'm going to give an easy ease and just creating this graph like this. Also there is a problem happened here. These icons are not visible because the layers is shorter, so I am just going to increase this layer something like this, and let's see our final shot. Also, I am going to give a, where is the player icon? Yeah, this is the player icon, and I'm going to give a drop shadow in it. Something, distance should be like 30, like 40, softness, distance, okay, sorry, distance should be increased. I have to increase the distance and reducing the opacity to 20. So now this is my animation. This is it. So we have to do some work in the background as well. The background is looking too flat. So for that, in the video I am seeing there are clouds. They have used clouds in it. So I am going to use clouds here. So for that I am just opening Freepik. Yeah, search for clouds here. I can use these clouds. Just extracting these files, going inside it. Yeah, this is it. Now I am going to copy these layers in a different artboard, and also I am separately copying these layers. So 3, 4. I guess these 4 is enough for me. So I'm just going to scale it and save it as clouds. So now I'm just importing the clouds. Where are they? These are the clouds here. I'm importing it in After Effects, and all those 4 clouds, I'm just placed it here. So now I have to place these clouds, so I am just placing it here. One more, I am placing it here. Also I am placing this thing something like here. One more cloud is left now, so I am just placing it here. Also I am reducing the scale of these clouds, something like this. Also this should have to be smaller. Yeah, this is it. Also it is looking too sharp, so I am going to reduce the opacity of these clouds, something like this. Okay, this is it. Now I do one thing. I just create a composition final 1920 1080 and just drop slide 1 and slide 2 into this comp. So at this point this is moving, so at this point yeah, so I am going to create a shape here. It should be above this shot and just scaling it down. Okay, decreasing the width here and scaling it something like this. Also moving one more like this, going to the first slide. I'm just changing the color. I'll do one thing. I'll just pick the color from here. I'm going to change the first one color. I don't need effect. I have to change the color, so from here I am changing this color to this one, and also this color to this one as well, but in this color I am reducing the brightness a little bit here. So at this point I am just placing these things down, giving the opacity in here, and now placing it here. So let's see, this is working. Yeah, this works. Also just reduced the thing here and also placing this layer at the top. Okay, also I am going to linear wipe, searching for linear wipe. I'll search for wipe. So there is a yeah, here it is, linear wipe. I'm just placing this wipe and doing it to the 0, and at this point, okay, I have to give it 180. Okay, and this point I am going to give it a 0, and at this point I am going to give it 1. So why these are scaling actually? I'll do one thing, I'll just place here. Yeah, now it's working good. So at this point I'm just increasing it, at this point, at this point. Okay, no need to increase it, to place it here. So So this is it. So this is I am going to the animation of the player is too fast when the player is moving from upwards to down. So I am going to do one thing at this point. The rope, I am also opening the key of this rope as well and just increasing the time so that it will look like, yeah, it looks good then. So finally we have completed our second slide. So this is it for now. We'll start working on other slides in our next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.